The Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, Lasubeb, has organized a workshop for early childhood care development education teachers and desk officers across the 20 local government education authorities. The program seeks to build the capacity of participants in line with global best practices.
We must continue to appreciate and commend them, and at the same time, we must also continue to empower them through capacity building. The Eccde is the foundational aspect of learning, and as such, we must continue to empower the teachers and the desk officer in that subsector.
Participants were sensitized on concept policies and improvisation and teaching children in their early years.
We need to get back to the basis. We need to get to the foundation of the children. As a nursery school or an Eccde teacher or desk officer, we work with the parents to be able to build the child that we really want in every child in our schools, and at the end we will not be leaving any child behind.
This basically would make us understand or create a relationship with the pupils and the students, and make us have a lot of understanding of what is going on with them and their foundation.
With this program, it enables us to know how to handle them, how to put them through, what to do at the right time, and what to do to make them learn more, so that their education background will not be jeopardized.
Participants are expected to go to their various local government education authorities and apply the knowledge acquired at the training in their classrooms.
The essence of the program is to make the teaching and learning processes to be robust, to make the children to enjoy the beauty and the benefits of this program. We've engaged the teachers on early childhood program. We've looked at the 21st century skills, strictly on phonies, that the earlier we introduce the aspects to the children, the better. By the time they go to their various Eccde, various ministries, we expect them to put all those things in places so that learning in 21st century for the children will be at par excellence.
If we ultimately help them in quality service delivery in their various classrooms, and for the desk officers, they will be equipped so that when they go to the schools to monitor the teachers, they will know what aspects of the curriculum they are monitoring. It will help them in their monitoring assignments. And so for the teachers, they will be taught how to improvise. Where the original materials are not there, their skills will be built on how they can improvise in the various early childhood classrooms to impart the children in the early years.
In another development, the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board organized the 2022 Health Week. The chairman of the board, Honorable Wahab Alawiye King, said the government is not just particular about building capacity for its workforce, but also interested in their health and overall well-being.
To set aside, a week, once a year to do what we tag Health Week, and the essence of that is to do a test, a kind of diagnostic test on each and every one of our staff. The earlier the better. It is good for us to do this, exercise to determine what is going on, in our body health-wise.
It is important because the general saying has not changed. Health is wealth, and a healthy workforce is a productive workforce. For them to come up to do a medical checkup about their health conditions for early detection of any ailment that could hamper on their level of a service delivery.
Members of staff were taught how to manage stress and also how to stay healthy. They benefited from a free medical screening exercise such as kidney and liver function test, cholesterol test, hypertension and diabetes checkup.
Prevention is better than cure. The only way we can prevent is to create awareness and make people to know that this thing exists. These are some of the things they should avoid. These are some of the things they should pay attention to, like meditation. people this time around need to, cut down on exposure to social media. We must drop our phones sometimes and take time to relax, just meditate, forget about problems, and we also must try to exercise regularly, eat good food.
It helps the work output. When staffs are healthy, they put in their best, they work very well. So that is why it's an annual thing. Most of them that won't even bother about their health or try and visit the hospital for the test or anything, when they have this test done, whatever is detected, they follow it up. Those that need to visit the doctor will have to visit the doctor and attend to their health issues.
The management of Lasubeb advised members of staff to pay utmost attention to their health at all times.